take off this side panel that's on the side of the shifter. The seat gotta come out, so I had to take the seat out. But you know, these come out without the frame coming out of them. So I just took the seat out and the cushions and pull the side of the console out, and there's the shifter and there's all the bolts just holding it in. So once I thought it was a big hole in the floor as well, but it's just like a little recess down there that the rods stick through, and there's some rubber boots over them, I guess, to keep out water and noise. So let me get to getting this out.